Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. So today we are going to take a tour of the InfinitePay.io dashboard. Whether you are a new user or just looking to get more familiar with the interface, this guide will help you navigate like a pro. So let's get started. First thing first, let's log into our InfinitePay.io account. Open your browser, go to the InfinitePay.io and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will land on the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your InfinitePay.io account. Here's the main dashboard. At the top, you will see a navigation bar with different sections such as Overview, Transactions, Invoices, Settings, and many more. Each of these sections is designed to give you quick access to different functionalities. Let's start with the Overview section. Select on Overview from the top menu. This section provides a snapshot of your account activity. You will see a summary of your recent transactions, your account balance, and any pending tasks or alerts. It's a great place to get a quick update on what's happening with your InfinitePay.io account. Next, let's move to the Transactions section. Here you can view all your transaction history. You can filter transactions by date, type, and status. This makes it easy to track your payments, deposits, and withdrawals. If you need detailed information about any transaction, simply select on it for more details. Now let's check out the Invoices section. This is where you can create, send, and manage your invoices. Select on Create Invoice to start a new invoice. Fill in the necessary details like the recipient amount, description, and then hit the Send button. You can now track the status of all your invoices right here. Finally, let's go to the Settings section. This is where you can manage your account settings. You can update your personal information, change your password, set up security features like two-factor authentication, and configure your payment methods. Make sure to review these settings to keep your account secure and up to date. Aside from these main sections, the dashboard also has a few other useful features. You can access support by selecting on the help icon, where you can find FAQs or contact customer support. There is also a notification bell at the top right corner to keep you informed about important updates and alerts. And that's a quick tour of the InfinitePay.io dashboard. With these tips, you should be able to navigate your account with ease and manage the most of the features available to your InfinitePay.io account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.